Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to enable and disable Google Fit on this device. So hold for a while first the home screen with your finger, but before let's check, and we could see that the Google Discover is activated. To turn off this option, we should hold for a while the home screen, then just tap the home screen settings and you'll see here display Google Apps Switcher. Just tap once on the switcher and now we could see that the Google Discover is successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on by the same way, go to the home screen settings, tap to Google Discover app, click on the switcher, and now we could see that we just successfully activated this option. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.